No matter your audio needs, the Dayton Audio IO65XT Indoor-Outdoor speakers will have you covered. Utilizing a passive radiator, the speakers deliver a powerful low end which is uncharacteristic of most outdoor speakers while remaining rugged and exceptionally flexible. Superior sonic performance is great, but flexibility makes these speakers an installer's dream. With 70 or 100 volt transformer taps, it's easy to hook up to a commercial grade amplifier, but with the flick, the 8 ohm bypass will allow you to connect to something as simple as a desktop amp. This flexibility makes the IO65XT speakers a great option for installs from massive warehouses to backyard porches. An IP65 certified water-resistant rating is perfect for theme parks, pools, restaurants, hotels, or any other place permanent outdoor audio is needed. Plus, the included mounting brackets make installations easy regardless if you need them horizontal, vertical, or pointed in a certain direction. And if you're looking for some extra boom, you can get the IOSUB, which will allow you to really rock the barbecue. Get the speakers for every situation, only at Parts Express.